Ever feel like your Suno AI prompts could use a little boost? Today, I'll show you how to take your songs to the next level using custom mode. Let's jump in and discover how to create music that's uniquely yours. To begin, open up the main Suno AI webpage. At the top, you'll see a Create option. Go ahead and click on that. Now look for the Custom button. Once you click it, the magic happens. The prompt area will expand, giving you so many ways to fine-tune your song. Let's explore each option one by one to get the most out of custom mode. First up, let's look at the Lyrics tab. Here, you can type in your own lyrics, and Suno will bring them to life. Got writer's block? No problem, just hit the Surprise Me button, and Suno AI will generate some fun, unique lyrics for you. This feature lets you guide the message or mood of your song. It's a great way to make sure your track says exactly what you want it to. Now, onto the Style section. It is located just below the Lyrics tab, and in here you'll see a selection of music styles to choose from. Don't see what you're looking for? You can type in your own custom style, like upbeat reggae or mellow synthwave, to match your mood. Suno AI will use your input to shape the sound, giving you a tailored experience. Finally, it's time to give your song a name. Enter a title in the Title tab that captures the vibe or story of your track. This can help bring your song concept full circle, tying everything together in one perfect package. Now, there are a few extra features to know about. Some options, like the Persona feature, let you customize the vocal tone and personality of your song. But keep in mind that these are available only with a paid subscription. Now, after filling it all up, you can now go ahead and click Create. And now you can listen to what Suno AI created for you.
Woke up in a candy store's embrace, rainbow colors shining in my face. Got no money but endless sweets, living life on sugar and beets. Woke up in a candy store's embrace, rainbow colors shining in my face. Got no money but endless sweets, living life on sugar and beets.
And here's a bonus tip. If you want an instrumental-only track, just select the instrumental option. This is perfect if you're looking for background music without vocals. And that's it. Custom mode in Suno AI lets you fine-tune every part of your song, from lyrics to style to vocals. Give it a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using AI tools to boost your creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!